I ain't shooting no video till I'm done smoking.
Shazam!
Blicky, blicky, blicky.
I hope your day was good. I hope your day was good. I hope your day was good.
Check it out.
I can't stop thinking about you. I hope your day was good. I hope your day was good. I hope your day was good.
What's good in life, everybody? This your boy, Chef EBT, and I'd like to welcome y'all to the 5th episode of Burnt Stove TV. In this episode, we're going to do Chef EBT's macaroni and cheese review from Chick-fil-A. Like, share, and subscribe for me, people. Please do so. All right. First, I'm going to show y'all how to get all this information online. I did it from a computer. You can do it from a smartphone. I just pretty much Googled Chick-fil-A catering menu. All the information pops up. Again, I went to catering menu. I went down. I went to mac and cheese tray, people. And right there, you see the prices. For the small mac and cheese tray, is $31. For the large mac and cheese tray, it's $61. They got all your nutritional stuff on there, a whole bunch of promotions and everything else. Now, when you order, you're gonna hit start catering order, right? So if you want it delivered, you hit delivery, and it's gonna ask you this information here. If you want to pick it up, boom, it's gonna want to know, get you to your closest local store. You know what I'm saying? They told me about 30 minutes. I did pick up. They was about dead on. If you get it delivered, I assume that the delivery order time will depend on the order that they have in process. Pretty much you in line, you waiting.
They fast, people.
For them, this is my receipt. As you see, I got some extra stuff, but it's pretty much dead on with taxes. And boom, right? I got into it right away. I ain't gonna lie, I got into it right away. I couldn't wait, you know what I'm saying? So, what I did notice about it is that I thought it was burnt. I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought it was burnt. I'm like, they done my order up, right? So, I'm like, man, I'm getting heated. I'm like, man, I'm ready to take it back. So, I think the bites more or less were me trying to eat some before I take it back. You feel me? But all this, y'all, right there, all that, it was confusing because it's like burnt in little ball spots. It wasn't evenly burnt, like normal. Anyway, I thought about it and I was like, you know what? When you think of that little bowl, you get all that delicious cheese in there and you get these little chunks. You know what I'm saying? So I had to look at it from a store perspective. Like, this is a whole pan that they digging out of to make, people order. And those little beautiful chunks of burnt cheese that you do get, that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? I just got it in full effect. You know what I'm saying? So I also want to make a meal with this review, but I feel if I'm going to do a review, I'm not going to do it on just a little bucket. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do it on the whole pan. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. And I ate it for like 3 days. 3 days. I was eating macaroni and cheese, and it was delicious all the way down to the third. You feel me? And this review is not going to be just mac and cheese in it. The review is about the mac and cheese, but I had to make some sides to go with it. Who just eats mac and cheese? Like, that don't make no sense, right? So I'm like, okay, I got these ribeyes. I got to take them out the freezer and cook them anyway. Time is ticking on them, Getting close to, the time that you would want to cook them. You know what I'm talking about? If you don't know what I'm talking about, you don't know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. I'm an innovative cook, so I figured I'll do something out of the ordinary, you know what I mean? I'm not just going to do it the regular way. Here, let me cut up. Yeah, I'm cutting up ribeyes into little strips. I know it's not for heat of meat, but I made it what I made it, okay? Right? This review is about the macaroni and cheese. It really ain't about the ribeye. That's why I'm not giving y'all details about it, but you season how you season. Don't over-season it. MSGs and all that. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm going to heat my little wok here that goes through hell and back. I'm going to heat him with some olive oil. Then I'm going to drop that meat in, check him out. Okay, he ain't gonna go down without his brother. Now I'm going to start dropping family members in there. Boom, boom. They together. Boom, 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 boom. You feel me? Then I'm going to cut this onion up. Take off the onion armor. You got to get rid of the onion armor. I don't even know what that tastes like. Never ate in my life, but I know it's a no-no. Okay? I'm going to cut it in rings on this one. I'm being lazy because I don't want the mac and cheese to get cold. You know what I'm talking about? Put it on top. Get it going. Get the smells in. Get your chef modes going. You know what I'm talking about? Hit it with the Worcestershire sauce. I use the Worcestershire sauce for my little gravy, you know what I mean? It's like it makes a little gravy with the meat if you cook it right, if you know what you're doing. And I put it in the broiler a little bit just to give it its thickness, to brown my meat a little bit more on the top, mix it up, and it's just fine, people. You can cook well done meat if you know what you're doing, you feel me? I made a little bit of minute rice. I don't know what mixture of vegetables that is. The cauliflower and broccoli. I don't know if it's a California mix or not or whatever it is, but it went good with this, y'all. So, yeah, I just put that little gravy on top of my rice. I would call it more of a roux, you know, and then with the mac and cheese, it was good. So next time you get your EBT, you want to go to Walmart and you get your stimulus and you want to try you out some catered food, like, subscribe, and share. Share, like, subscribe, people. I need you to do that for me. But I'm saying all 2021, we're not giving these people our money, man. And if you got a little bit to splurge, don't go full catering. Don't go full catering, $31. That lasts me 3 days. You feel me? I love y'all, man, and I thank you.
It may seem like I don't care, and I use you for your money. Please don't feel like you a dummy, cause you know it ain't true.
Oh, yeah, my bad, y'all. This is a review, right? So, out of a 10, that mac and cheese was fire, you hear me? For 3 days, it was fire. I'm gonna give it about 8 out of 10. All right, y'all, peace.
Blicky, blicky, blicky.